Hello guys, today we are going to unboxing and say something about this Logitech pen. This one is especially for iPods, iPad, the all iPad from 2018 it will support. Apple Pencil alternative. Let's see how is it. Here is a pencil. We may have some user manual. This one is a pencil, you can see this, and here is on the tip there is one button. We can use this by just pressing this one. See the blink of the light, so it's ready to use. And here is the top, there is a charger port. You just plug your Apple charger. The main thing is this one is not very friendly to hold, not too much comfortable to hold because of the shape. Okay, it was just quick unboxing. I will try to make another video how it works on the iPad. Thank you.